Now a VLOOKUP is quite a complex formula. Instead of having to write down all the grades individually, what you can do, you can use a table here for the grades. So I've got my grade boundaries here. And so if I had a whole class, what I could do is just type in their score and it would automatically generate the grade for me. So what I'm going to do is use a VLOOKUP function for this. So if I type in equals VLOOKUP, open bracket, and I'm going to click on 12, which is cell C6. So if cell C6, comma, I want to go look in the table over here, which tells me the number and the grade boundary, comma 2, because I want it to convert the data, the number 12, into some form of text grade, and then comma true, because I want it to actually appear in text form. Press enter, and it's a D. Now I could write that out over and over again, or I can do what's called an absolute cell reference, because when I drag it down, it will increase the G5 to G6 and H10 to H11 the further I go down. So what I want to constantly do is always look between G5 and H10, because none of that's going to change. So I'm going to put a dollar sign either side of the G, like so, and also either side of the H. So when I drag it down, it will constantly look in between G5 and H10. So then drag that down using the dot, and you can see the grades change. So for example, if Brian, I miscounted, he should have got 50 out of 50. I can change his grade to 50, it's an A star. Bob, I've counted too many, he only got 8, changed it to a U. So that's a VLOOKUP, and it's really important though that you have the data here, because this relates to the data in the table.